Sup guys, how's it going? I've got here another Pokemon McDonald's pack, but I'm actually not going to be opening this. You guys get a good treat, something different. Shining Fates pack over here. Oh, there you go. Oh. 4 cards to the front is the card trick for this. So we got Grass, Luxio, Floatzel, Dartrix, Glossifleur, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, Weasel. Oh wow, Shiny Galarian Runerigus. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a shiny card. And the last one is a Luxray. Whatever, who cares about that? There you go. That's sick, another shiny added to the collection. Peace, guys.